Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 5 English literature teacher Miss Anila. Today I am going to share the adventures of Tom Sawyer, and it is written by Mark Twain. This is the story of a boy, Tom, who is a very naughty boy, and it includes a few characters in which it is Aunt Polly and the other is Sid that resembles his younger brother Henry. And in this also there are a few other characters that will come afterwards. Okay, now let's start with the story. The story is the first part is Tom must be punished. Now what happens, Tom was going here and there, and his Aunt Polly was calling him, but he was not giving a reply. So Aunt Polly looked him everywhere, but he couldn't be found in the garden also. So then he turned back. Aunt Polly turned back, and she could find uh, the boy, and she caught him and asked that what are you doing. So he found him eating the jam from the cupboard, and he has done a mess. So Aunt Polly was very angry with him, and he told that I am going to beat you. So she took up the stick and wanted to beat Tom, but Tom just ran away, and she was not able to see Tom. And then Aunt Polly was surprised for a minute, but then she knew that Tom is such a naughty boy. Now Tom is always used to of playing tricks with Aunt Polly, and so Aunt Polly thought that because he didn't listen to Aunt Polly, so Aunt Polly thought that she will punish him and he will make him work on Saturdays. Now, Tom walked out of the street and he was making the whistling sound. Then he met a boy when he was in the streets, and he asked the boy that who was he. The boy didn't reply, so now Tom had a fight with that boy, and then he just tried to talk with the boy. The boy didn't want to talk with Tom. So now Tom tried to pull the boy, and they both scratched each other, and they were fighting with each other. Now the boy tried harder to get free, but he was not able to get free. And then Tom said, if you say enough, then he will stop hitting him. So now the stranger managed to say enough, and Tom let him go. Now that will teach you, he said, that you'd better remember that you are talking to next time. Tom, that day he had a fight with the boy. Then he went home late that night, so now he couldn't go by the door. So he tried to go through the bedroom window because he don't want to disturb his brother Sid, who was sharing his room. And Aunt Polly was sleeping downstairs, but she was awake waiting for him. She was very angry when she saw the mess on his clothes, and she promised herself that she will make Tom's Saturday into a day of hard work. And she thought of punishing Tom by giving him work on Saturdays. That was a holiday for him. So this is the work, and then I gave a few spellings for finding their meanings, and that is your homework. That's all. We'll read about the story in the next class. Hafiz.